Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir. Honourable Speaker, sir, I rise to provide a response to the question. I thank the Honourable Vijay Nath for the question, sir. Honourable Speaker, sir, the Fijian government understands the economic crisis brought on by COVID-19 pandemic, and it has severely impacted businesses across Fiji, both large and small, like never before. So in order to better understand how the crisis is impacting the business community, Honourable Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport and the International Finance Corporation, IFC, partnered to actually conduct a COVID-19 business impact survey. The objective of the survey was to hear directly from the businesses the impact of the crisis and the resources needed for them to be able to survive. The survey also sought to understand how businesses were adapting or changing their business model to survive the restrictions in place due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Most importantly, Honourable Speaker, sir, through this survey, government is in a better position to make evidence-based policy decisions and targeted assistance to those that need it the most. Honourable Speaker, sir, over 3,500 businesses from across all different sectors and subsectors participated, and we wanted to ensure that we gave every possible business type from every corner of Fiji the opportunity to contribute. Upon analysing the data, sir, it was evident that the majority of the respondents were micro and small enterprises. Now, prior to the pandemic, sir, 71% of the respondents stated that their businesses were stable and thriving. These businesses were able to set aside cash reserves and to make savings from profits. Now, pre-COVID, of course, was a reflection of our 10-year unprecedented economic growth, sir. As you'll imagine, sir, following the outbreak, the entire business landscape has changed, and the results reveal that the main impacts felt have been the depletion in cash flows to adequately manage their business operations or service their debt, inability to fully operate all the functions of the business, and that's because of reduced hours of operation and cancelled or delayed capital works, difficulty in managing and actually retaining employees and customers, and concerns on the supply and increase in the cost of raw materials. Mr. Speaker, sir, in terms of revenue, 1,200 businesses stated that they expect a decrease in their revenue by 75%, should the impacts of COVID-19 continue for up to another 6 months, with about 512 odd expecting bankruptcy. On the positive side, sir, a fair share of businesses are able to change their business and adapt, and for example, businesses enhanced sanitation practices were to ensure the safety of their employees and customers. One of the most important things also, sir, and I've always said this about collaboration, this particular survey is also a value add to the survey that Honourable Minister Bala talked about the other day that was done in conjunction with the ILO. And that together, both surveys will provide government with valuable information going forward in terms of making informed decisions, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also take this opportunity to thank those businesses who took their time to participate in the survey, and the government is here to ensure that we do the right thing and we help you, as many businesses and Fijians as we possibly can. And the road to recovery may be long, sir, but it's not impossible. I thank the Honourable Member for these questions.
I thank the Honourable Minister for the